Alright, video as promised. This is the BTS lights for the Peterbilt 386. That is your left turn signal. That is your right turn signal. These are four ways. Marker lights only. Marker lights with turn signals. Headlights, and that is low beam headlights. This is high beam headlights. Pay attention to the trees off in the distance. These things are in friggin' insane bright. And that's your turn signals again. And then I've got extra fog lights. That's low beam with auxiliary fog lights. This is an insane beam pattern. I'm happy.